Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be inking and painting these quite simple flowers, and for that I did use this Hahnemuller sketchbook, and also I did use Micron 05 ink pen. It is an archival waterproof ink, Raphael number 0 quill brush, and Viviva color sheets for the watercolors, and the colors yellow ochre, burnt sienna, sap green, and magenta. And that's all the supplies I did use, so without further ado, let's get to it. I'm gonna start with my pencil drawing. So just gonna block in where I wanna put my flowers, thinking about the composition, not to make it symmetrical, but still quite nice. And also just gonna draw in the stems. They're gonna all point to one place, and I decided to draw a couple of leaves just to shape off and frame my flowers. So like that, and also add a line for the ground. I'm gonna just go on top of the drawing that I did, but also just do a little detail on the flowers. Just gonna go into the center, not try to make it perfectly circular. You can see that my lines are a little bit wobbly, and also gonna draw the leaves, but I won't be drawing them with one line. I do want to make it sketchy. Also, same thing for the stems. I'm gonna use this kneaded eraser, Faber Castell, and erase the pencil lines. And then just gonna do more details to my drawing with the ink, just adding some more of the lines, just stylizing again, making it more interesting. You can do it just the way you like. For the flowers, I'm gonna add a little bit more ink to some spots or some parts of the lines. Gonna make them a little bit thicker, again, just to make it a bit more interesting. So like that, same thing I'm gonna do to all of the rest of the flowers. Adding a bit more ink. And also, again, wibbling and wobbling, not trying to make my lines perfectly straight. I believe that will just give a little bit more, again, of the interest and texture. And the last one. And I decided also to draw a couple of dots to add in some more details and make it a little bit more whimsical. Now I'm gonna move on to my watercolors. This ink dries very, very fast. Make sure that your ink work is fully dry before you start with your watercolors, and also make sure you're using a waterproof ink. So starting off with some green, sap green, some splatters and details onto the leaves, then moving on to magenta. And I'm gonna use the magenta for the flowers, not gonna paint all of the flowers, and also not gonna try to stay within the lines I drew. I do want to make it quite loose, so I'm gonna go outside of the edges and leave the paint to bleed a little bit, mix on the paper. those greens and pinks and oranges, some more of the splatters, a little bit more of the burnt sienna. And some more details with the green, and that's all. Quite simple as that. You can see that's very, very simple. It took me around, I believe, 20 minutes to paint this. So I hope you will give it a try. Have fun with it. Just make it as fun as you like. And you know what? If you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, comment if you haven't still. Please do subscribe to my channel. I have many, many tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will love it and find something for yourself. Again, guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!